खालीपन में सोचा मैं कुछ करूं, फिर सोचा क्यों ना धूप ही सेक लूं। सफेद सी लगती है ये धूप, अकेली गिरती बढ़ती सड़कों पे ये धूप।
Welcome, Siddharth, on 10 Minutes of Happiness.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
I want you to introduce this show and our chat in
Okay.
your MC share style.
MC शेर स्टाइल क्या बोल रही है पब्लिक? हंसते रहने का, मुस्कुराते रहने का, खुशियां बांटो, बहुत हार्ड अपने घर पे रहने का, अपने आसपास वालों के साथ अपनी फीलिंग्स को शेयर करने का, और कुछ क्रिएटिव करो, कुछ करो यार। चीरफाड़ आर्टिस्ट बनने का यही तो टाइम है अभी।
Perfect. That's the best start this chat can get. Tell me, Siddharth, what's keeping you happy and busy nowadays?
What's keeping me happy is, I'm with my family, and with my brother, and yeah, so I'm gaming these days. I'm reading a lot, watching a lot of films, painting, jamming with my brother, singing, so many things. यार बहुत कुछ है करने को. In fact, so on my way to becoming a cheerfad artist, even coming back in the new world with even a harder, dedication and bigger dreams.
Fab. Tell me the
Yeah,
fun, but spending time with the whole family for so much time can go
yeah,
either way. What are the
yeah.
funniest things which are happening in your family?
My dad makes me watch a lot of old films now because he's
Oh,
like, yeah,
sweet.
yeah. So it is, but could get annoying again a bit because I want to watch so many web shows which are out there, international and Indian web shows. But he is stuck in that, like, he loves watching, Dharamveer and Roti Kapda Aur Makan. So yeah, so he makes me watch all of these things, and I have to sit and watch it.
Your dad, I mean, I met your parents in Assam,
Yeah.
and they were
Yeah.
elated with your award.
Yeah,
And I remember your dad also looks like a Hindi film hero, by the way. Like the way I remember he walked in and I saw this video of them you all walking in slow motion as as a family.
Yeah.
How was that experience?
It's one of the best experiences we've had as a family. The first one was watching Gully Boy, for the first time, and I could see him, in tears. I've never seen my dad, because he's quite like, but he was, his softer side. He had tears in his eyes, and then film fair. I mean, he was so happy and so proud. In fact, when you were watching it on TV, he's in every frame. He is more than any.
I'm telling you,
He's
people
there.
mistake him for a hero.
He was in the second row. You can see him in every frame, every nomination. And I'm like, क्या footage मिला है, वाह.
Well, he got more footage than you, by the way.
Anybody, in fact, yeah. Yeah, he was there.
Yeah, Sid, I also, recently you came out with your own song, Dhoop.
Yeah.
Was music always a part of you? How did that whole thought come that lets me release my own single?
I was just sitting by the window and I was just absorbing, it's the sun rays, taking vitamin D. And then that's when it just struck me. I was like, I kind of thought that there's this idea which came to my head where what would be this ray of sun thinking every day, because it's still doing its thing, it's still coming to earth, and it's it's doing its duty, even though there's nobody on the roads, and it's not giving up, basically. The sun is rising every day, and that's what inspired me to kind of not be low, because these are the times when it might it can get a little low, and you might feel no motivation to do anything. But I kind of took inspiration from nature, and I was like, yeah, the sun is rising every day, and we have to, it's a symbol of energy, and I can take that from there. And I wrote a piece. So I tried in my voice. I kind of locked my room, switch off my AC and fan, because it's not a studio. I've just got a very it's a small room, so I kind of tried to recreate the studio effect in this by told my parents to not to walk. There was a curfew at my place when this was happening. Nobody was moving. There were times when my brother was walking, listening to songs, and he's like, humming it. I'm like, shit. So I have to re-record it. At times, mummy is in the kitchen, she's doing something, so वो बर्तन खड़कने की आवाज आ गई. So I had to kind of re-record it. So I learned from my mistakes. And I was like, no, I mean, guys, I called for a meeting and listen, I'm recording the next 1 hour, nobody moves.
What I say, you told me like a lot of people got happy and everything. Let's
Yeah,
make the
yeah,
viewers of this chat also happy and inspired.
yeah.
Sing 2 lines from the song.
Man, I need my guitar. Wait. This is exclusive
Okay.
for you. The guitar. खालीपन में सोचा मैं कुछ करूं. खालीपन में सोचा मैं कुछ करूं. फिर सोचा क्यों ना धूप ही सेक लूं. सफेद सी लगती है ये धूप. अकेली गिरती बढ़ती सड़कों पे ये धूप. क्या खबर बाहर कर नया सर्द है. मौसम कल आना आज दुनिया बंद है. Yeah, that was better. Yeah, thank you.
Sid, you have so much passion for music. We are also living in such uncertain times, and music can be a great source of happiness, right? And
Yeah, yeah.
just why don't you just give me like a small playlist of 5 Hindi songs which can just uplift anyone's mood?
Okay. Uh, the first song is Apna Time Aayega, because that's it's very it's quite inspiring, that there's something good in the future waiting for us. The second song is Matar Gashti. I think, yeah, it just makes me feel, kind of, groove a bit on that song. Third song is मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं, Shahrukh sir.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fourth song is गाता रहे मेरा दिल तू ही मेरी मंजिल. Yeah. And the last song is एक पल का जीना. I don't know, it does. I mean, it's got a very nostalgic value to it. So I just, yeah.
Best playlist to drive away the lockdown blues.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything's there.
Yeah.
I recently read an interview of yours where your next film is with Deepika and Ananya.
Yeah.
And I could read your happiness when you were talking about Deepika and how excited you are. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, we were ready to go. We had workshops. We were set. I was supposed to complete Bunty Bavli and then fly the very next day to Sri Lanka for a month with these two beautiful women, and have this great time, sharing the screen space with Deepika, and my first collab with Ananya. So yeah, I mean, getting the best of both the worlds, the teenage heartthrob and Deepika, what can I say about her? She's the most beautiful and the most graceful woman I've seen on screen and off screen.
You did workshops with Deepika, right?
Yeah.
How was that experience?
Well, always dreamt of that she's the one who's giving me cues and I'm giving her cues, and we are like acting together, man. That's always been a dream, even before I made it. So yeah, I mean, actually, that thing happening was quite surreal. But when we are actors, like when we start actually, when we are in that space, when we are reading it out, when we are performing, we kind of, I forget myself. I'm the character, and so is she. I mean, she's quite. So there was a lot of give and take. There was a lot of improvisation, and with that, and she, gets those pencils and markers, and she's quite like organized, like a, like a school kid. She gets all of those, rulers and underlines and highlights and everything. So quite amusing to see somebody so senior and yet have that childlike quality of approach towards something like this, which she's been doing since a lot. She's not taking it for granted.
Sid, I have a fun game now for you. You are also doing Bunty or Bubbly, and we all know it's all about con men and thieves. So now, hypothetically, if you were a thief, what would you
Yeah.
steal from the following people?
Yeah.
Rani Mukherjee.
Well, I'm already doing a lot of stealing in the film. If you, I can't say much about it, but there's. I think I can't even, even bit more would I think piss her off. So I think we are just good with whatever happens in the film, and you have to wait and watch what happens in the film, what I steal. So yeah,
Okay, what would you steal from Ranveer Singh?
his wardrobe. Yeah, I think his wardrobe. He's got a really I think crazy you know collection of everything. So yeah, I might just try a thing or two, and I don't mind trying. I am not
Ayushmann.
very restricted. Ayushmann, if he makes the remake of Money Heist, if he does, then yeah, I mean, I'm going to steal the professor from him because I know he's eyeing on that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif. Um, what will I steal from her? She's got some crazy. In fact, not steal, but kind of get to dance with her, and yeah, yeah. That's something I would want to just.
Salman Khan.
What will I steal from Salman sir? His farmhouse. It's quite pretty, and it's quite big. And I might go there record a few songs with him.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan.
Uh, I've already have stolen a lot of inspiration from him. He's one of the biggest reasons I'm here. He used to inspire me. So yeah, I've stolen a lot of his wit, his inspiration. His dedication, his passion, his ambition. So yeah, I think I already have a lot of that in my bag. As I was growing up and watching him.
And last one, Kareena Kapoor.
Kareena Kapoor, A Day with Taimur, I think. Yeah.
Don't we all want that?
Yeah, so cute.
I think all the lockdown blues, everything will go away.
Yeah, Saif sir used to show me a lot of his videos, on the sets of Bunty Ogli. And they've got, if Saif Ali Khan comes on Instagram, he's going to break the net. He has got some amazing, videos of Taimur and some really cool moments and some really cute moments and adorable moments in his phone. So I think he should have been trying to kind of, get him on Instagram. But yeah, he's got a lot on his
one of the
phone.
very few lucky ones who get to see it.
Yeah. Yeah. I think so, yeah.
Thank you so much, Sid, for being a part
Thank
of 10
you
Minutes
so
of
much.
Happiness.
Thank you so much,
cool
Daud,
chatting
for
with you
having
and
me.
listening to your amazing music.
Thank you.
I wish
Thank
you all
so
the
much.
best and hope to see you on the other side of this crisis which we are living through.
Yes, we shall rise.
I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
See you soon, man. Bye.